Hey, Sony fans.
Hey Sony fans, that was my daughter. She's a Sony fan too. So this is my first PSP. I got this from Japan. I got it in my favorite color. And it's new according to the seller. But we'll find out. Alright, so far the box looks good. There's no damage. Everything's in there. There's charger, the pamphlet, and of course the PSP. And look at that. It looks nice. I don't see any damage whatsoever. Certified 3000. Wait a minute. Is that a game? Man, I got scammed. It's all scratched up too. It's definitely a Japanese game. I'll test this out later in the video. What a coincidence. A Reddit post on this seller. I wish I saw this before I bought it. Damn scammer. I would have got this PSP for less than 100. After going back and forth with this scammer, I was surprised that he was polite and he was willing to give me a refund of $54.94. I wanted to get more out of him, but it is still in great condition, as you can see. There's no scratches, no dents, and I'm gonna check out that game for you guys to see if it works. So stay tuned. I can't read Japanese, but I was able to change the language. I'm really glad that everything's working though. And this is all from the previous owner. Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Alright, yeah. This is going to be a long intro, so bear with me. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm going to start smashing buttons soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to upload a video on the PS Vita 1000 in the sapphire blue, as you can see up there on top. So stay tuned and stay Sony.